Hi friends, my name is Ramana. Today I will show a demo on creating SSIS package and how to get all file names and extensions in a particular folder into SQL table. For this, I am using the ForEach Loop container which loop through all files in a particular from a particular folder. So I have one folder called D drive. There is files. There are different files are there with different extensions, text documents, Excel sheets, XML document, and CSV format. Now I want to copy. I want to dump all the names and extensions of these files into the SQL table. I have created one table called file details, which contains just two columns, file ID and file name. So how to get names of all these files into this table? We have to see. First, go to the SS Visual Studio 2019. Now I have to create one variable name which called file name. Data type is string. So to get all these files, for each loop container, I will drag into the control flow tab and to configure, double click or edit whatever, and select the enumerator for each file enumerator. So here you have to browse the files where you want to load. So browse. My files are in D drive, files. This is the folder name, and if you want to load particular files types, suppose you want to load only CSV files. Earlier what we did, see, just mention the extension of the format files star.csv means all files related to CSV are getting loaded into the tables. Now we want all files. There is a number of extensions are there in the folder. So star.star. That means all extension files will getting loaded from D drive into the tables. There are three options here under radio button. By default, it's fully qualified. That means including path they are getting loaded. Name and extension, name of the file and extension type of the file extension only loaded. So I will select the name and extension here, and variable mappings we have to go to map and user variable name and 0 as it is. Okay, and we have to drag one more task, execute SQL task into the for each loop container. Edit to get connection here, new connection. In my case, it is the server name is admin and sample is my database. So my target table also in the sample database, file details. So that's why I will take this and SQL statement we will write in the expression column. Properties, select SQL statement source and click on three dots, and maximize this. So I will write here some simple statement, simple insert command. Insert double quotes, end with double quotes. Insert into file details and select file name. Instead of file name, here I paste the user variable. Plus space plus end with double quotes. In between these two plus, we have to drag the user variable file name. And if you want to evaluate whether it is correct or not, evaluate. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, and okay, and okay. So configuration is done successfully. Now we have to run the package. So no need to create any data flow transformation and source files in this case. So I am running the package. Start. Yeah, package is run successfully, and go into the details to check whether all files are loaded or not. See here, all files are loaded. The total 16 files. Aggregation txt, city, city1, city2, dataset xml. Check with cross check with the table. Aggregation is a text format. City1, city2 is the Excel sheet. Dataset is the XML format. EMP is the CSV format. See here, EMP. So all these files are loaded successfully. So if you want to load entire full path, as I mentioned here earlier, click that and take collection and click the fully qualified and get OK again and run the package. So it is loaded all different files, including D drive, including path address, and run the query again and check it. See here, D drive files and folder, including path address, they were all these were loaded if you select the fully qualified. So if you want name and extension, you will get only a name of the file and related to the extension tag. Thanks for watching.